Okay, ma. Now we are seeing about structure of the earth. Okay, structure of the earth is interior is divided into three layers, namely. Okay, so structure of the earth classified into three layers. First one crust, second one mantle, third one core. Okay, the structure of the earth. First one, the crust. Okay, ma. Crust is the outer layer of the earth. Crust is the outer layer of the earth where we live. So, crust is the skin of our earth, and crust is the skin of our earth. Dear students, see the book and see the picture. Okay, crust is the skin of our earth. Okay, and this is crust, and crust is the yes, the crust is the skin of our earth. Okay, which ranges between 5 to 30 kilometer. Okay, 5 to 30 kilometer, which ranges between 5 to 30 kilometer. It is the solid and rigid layer of the earth. So crust is the solid and rigid, ரொம்ப கடினமான layer. Okay, so the thickness of the crust is greater below the continents than the ocean floor. ஓகே, ஸோ இந்த கடலி தளத்தை விட இந்த க்ரஸ்டஸ் அதோட ரிஜிட், ஸோ திஸ் லேயர் இஸ் வெரி ரிஜிட் லேயர். ஸோ திக்னஸ் ஆஃப் த க்ரஸ்ட் இஸ் greater below the continent than the ocean floor. The crust is classified. The crust is classified into two categories. First one continental crust, second one ocean crust. Okay, ma. The crust is classified into two categories. First one continental crust, second one oceanic crust. The major element of crust are silica and aluminium, and thus it is termed Cl. Okay, so major element of crust are silica and aluminium, and it is termed Cl, Si, silica, aluminium short form Al, and thus it is termed Cl. Okay, continental crust and crust is classified into two categories, continental crust and oceanic crust. Okay, next one lithosphere. The terms lithosphere and crust are not the same. Okay, so lith and இது வந்து என்னதுன்னா and solid. Okay, and lithosphere is the solid outer part of the earth. Okay, lithosphere, you know that is the solid outer part of the earth, and crust is the outer layer of the earth. Crust is the outer layer of the earth, and this is skin of our earth. Okay, and the earth oda skin தான் என்னன்னு சொன்னா crust. So it's not the same, and lithosphere and crust are not the same. Lithosphere includes the crust and uppermost part of the mantle. Lithosphere includes the crust and uppermost part of the mantle. Okay, and crust and mantle இதை உள்ளடக்கியது தான் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் lithosphere. Okay, do you understand? Lithosphere includes crust and uppermost part of the mantle. Next one, all terrestrial planets have lithosphere. All terrestrial planets have lithosphere. Mercury, Venus and Mars. Okay, Mercury, Venus, terrestrial planets. Already all of you know that terrestrial planets Mercury, Venus and Mars. Okay, much thicker and more rigid தென் த எர்த்தை விட இந்த பிளானட்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி இருக்குன்னா வெரி திக்கர் அண்டு ரிஜிட். ஓகே, ரிஜிட் மீன்ஸ் ரொம்ப கடினமான ஒரு பிளானட்ஸாக இருக்குது. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் மேண்டில். The interior part beneath the crust is called mantle. The interior part beneath the crust is called mantle, which is about 2,900 kilometers thick. The major elements are the mantle are silica, magnesium. Arkansas is also termed Sima. Okay, and the major elements of the mantle are silica and magnesium organs. It is also termed sima. In the upper part of the mantle, the rock remains solid, whereas in lower part of the mantle, rock in molten form. So molten rock inside the earth is called magma. Varma, interior part beneath the crust is called mantle. Interior part, first outer layer crust, next interior part. So the beneath the crust is called mantle. இதோட கிலோமீட்டர் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது, அதோட திக்னஸ் 2900 கிலோமீட்டர் திக். இதில் மேஜர் எலமெண்ட்ஸ் என்னென்ன எலமெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் சிலிக்கா அண்ட் மேக்மா. ஸோ இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ டேர்ம் சிமா. இட் இஸ் ஆல்சோ டேர்ம் சிமா. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். ஸோ இதில் ராக்ஸு அண்ட் ஆல்சோ சாலிட். ஓகே, அண்டு இதில் இந்த மேண்டிலோட மேல் பகுதியில் என்ன இருக்குது, and rocks is very rigid. Okay, and whereas lower part molten rocks. Okay, so whereas in lower part of the mantle, rock and molten form. Do you understand ma? And mantle upper part la eppadi irukku, solid, but lower part have molten form. Okay, melted, and rocks are in molten form. This molten rock inside the earth is called magma. Okay, dear students, do you understand? Upper part in the mantle, upper part la eppadi irukku, the rock remains solid, and whereas in lower part of the mantle, rock are in molten form. This molten rock inside the earth is called magma. ஓகே, இந்த உருகிய நிலையில் உள்ள பாறை குழம்பு தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் மேக்மா. ஓகே, டு யூ அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட்? நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன், கோர். The core is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth. Okay, core is the innermost and hottest layer of the earth, which lies below the mantle. It is composed mainly of nickel and iron. Okay ma, so it is composed mainly nickel and iron. Okay, hence is called knife. The core is divided into solid innermore and liquid outermore. Okay ma, the core is classified into two categories, and solid innermore and liquid outermore. Okay.